Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. I've got a couple new products that I'm dying to try. Number one is this Fire Black hot sauce. I've been seeing ads for this everywhere, and this stuff is made with smoked jalapenos, black garlic, and black limes. And it's supposed to be a milder hot sauce. As you know, Charlotte doesn't like the heat. We all love flavor though. I'm hoping that's what we get out of this. Also, Spiceology has this new Truffle Parmesan seasoning. And with that, we're gonna make some incredible twice-baked potatoes. So that's the long leg of this. We'll get started on those right away. Here I have 5 russet potatoes. I'm gonna get those good and coated with some olive oil. Then we're gonna get those sprinkled with a mixture of salt and pepper. Now I'm gonna fire up my Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill to 400 degrees for about 50 minutes. Chuck these in there and let them get their first bake. After I chuck these in there, we'll be back to get those steaks prepped. We'll see you then. The taters are out of the Ninja Foodi. I let them cool a little bit, but I don't want them to cool too much because I need them to be able to help mix all the rest of the ingredients for the twice-baked potatoes. So in a bowl, I'm gonna chuck 1 entire stick of butter at room temperature, a relatively obscene amount of aged white cheddar cheese, and then our hot tater guts. Trying not to disturb the salt and pepper that's on the skins. And now we finish up our tater guts with about, I don't know, half to 1 cup of sour cream. And about 3 tablespoons of that incredible Spiceology Truffle Parmesan seasoning. My friends, the aroma is deafening. All right, now we'll mix it all together. I would love to use my hands for this, but it's freaking hot. I did forget something, a good healthy pinch of salt and pepper. Now our potato guts go back in our potato skins. We did add quite a bit of stuff, so don't be afraid to make these heaping. If you heard that, that was my cat. OMG, LOL. Last pre-cooking step is to sprinkle on some more cheese on the top to make them pretty, like my ladies. Now, right before I go outside to get the steaks on the grill, these will go into a 350-degree oven. I only need them to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, enough time to get them warm all the way through and to melt that cheese on the top. So, we'll see you back when it's time to prep the steaks. See you then. It is time to get the steaks prepared. So today we are using skirt steaks, which comes from this spot right here on Bessie, on the outside. There's 2 skirt steaks per side per cow. There's an outside skirt steak, which is considered the better one because it has better marbling, and an inside skirt steak. Of course, we're using outside skirt steak. So I'm gonna make this pretty simple to test this new hot sauce. We are going to season all these steaks with salt and pepper. And that's it for the seasoning. Now, I am going to leave a couple that don't have the Fire Black sauce on it in case it's too hot for Charlotte. But yeah, we'll give it a try. All right, let's get these seasoned up. Squirt some of this stuff on here and we'll brush it in. All right, I'll let these set a few minutes and then I'll flip them. We'll do the same thing to the other side, the salt and pepper and the Fire Black sauce. and then we'll see you out at the grill and get these grilled up. See you there. Let's get these on the grill. Skirt steaks only take about 3 minutes per side. You don't want to cook them a whole lot past medium rare unless you're a heathen. And we're not heathens here.
No.
So let's get them on. There we go. We're going to give them 3 minutes on that side and then give them a flip and then get them back inside. Let them rest for 10 minutes. Then we'll get you some judgment. We'll see you then. All right, we're done cooking. I'm going to bring in an expert panel of judges to discuss what we think of the fire black sauce on steak. Judges? There's a bunch of little pieces there for you to try. All right. We have Evelyn, we have Ryland, and we have Belle. So let's find out. Everybody grab a piece and let me know what you think. Is it good flavor? Is it too spicy? What's the word?
Is that with the hot sauce?
That is with the hot sauce. That is cooked with the hot sauce.
I don't really taste the hot sauce.
You don't taste the flavor at all?
I taste the flavor of it,
Okay.
and I taste a little
Flavor,
kick.
I just don't taste the hot sauce.
All right. Belle?
And it's
like it.
All right.
Taste the hot sauce though.
Here.
Yeah, maybe.
We'll try again, and I'll give you a little dab of that hot sauce to try it in, because I did cook with it.
It's a lot better when you add the hot sauce on it.
Okay, so cooking with it and dipping. What do you say, Ryland?
Same thing.
Belle?
Better.
Because you can taste the hot sauce with the meat, but it's not as spicy as I would like it to be, personally. So I would dip it in the hot sauce because it adds more flavor to the flavor that's already cooked in with the steak, but it also adds more spice if you want more spice with it.
All right. Ryland, any words of wisdom? Thank you, sir. Belle, you have anything else to say?
Not really.
Okay, we'll be right back real quick, and we'll try the truffle parmesan twice-baked potatoes. All right, we're bringing our esteemed panel back to judge twice-baked potatoes made with Spiceology's truffle parmesan seasoning. Judges?
It looks good.
Ah, they're in the same order, so I don't have to remember their names. That's great. All right, so you have 3 forks. You have your tater there. Go for it.
It's actually really good.
And you, sir?
It is good.
Thank you for that. And Belle?
Taste any spice, but it's delicious.
You don't taste anything other than potato?
I
Maybe a
think
little salt and pepper.
it tastes a little, it's kind of cheesy
Mm-hmm.
a little bit.
Yep.
It's also very creamy, and personally, I like it a lot.
All
'Cause
right.
it's not dry. It has the perfect amount of moisture added just along with it. I don't know how you bake them, but it's really good.
All right, there you go. I tried it. You can definitely taste the truffles. Some people are crazy, but that's okay. Thank you very much for watching today, and until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.